So while we wait for the global roll call, I usually also like to give an opening note. And today's note is going to be about writing and publications and papers. Now, you shouldn't feel like you always have to have some massive journal or some massive distribution for your papers. It's always a healthy thing to write your own articles and do your own distribution, maybe on an internal website for your company or a newsletter. Or even if you just start a small blog for yourself, that's totally okay. I did that, and not a lot of people read my material, and that's okay. The point is that you're practicing. You're practicing your writing, and then you're also practicing interpreting your results. Those are two very valuable skills for any data scientist. And then you can carry that forward into your work to establish yourself as an expert. So, for example, I would write articles for the companies that I've worked for, the clients I've had. I'll write for their internal websites